I would like to introduce you the leadership that has been recently elected to lead the party. The President General of the Democratic Party, who was recently re-elected, is Mr. Norbert Mao. The Vice President of the party is Mr. Mbide Mukasa. The Secretary General of the party is Dr. Siranda Gerard.
Garan Madid Babati DP and Dr. Gerard Siranda Blacks.
The Deputy Secretary General is Madame Gerwa Christine.
Not Maluko, la George Madid and Madame Christine Mugerwa.
The National Chairman of the Democratic Party is me.
Not Madoro, a compa DP in Uganda Kuro and Mautumi.
Dr. Chiwanuka Sempala Mayambala.
And yet Dr. Sempala Chiwanuka Mayambala.
I introduce you the Vice National Chairman of the Democratic Party, Mr. Simon Foko.
And Berengat Maluko and Latino Simon Pogamana Nero.
To inform you, the Secretary Generals too are unable. They are having issues related to the party abroad. The Vice President Uganda present is represented by Mr. Kenneth Musuka. The Vice President Western Uganda is Imam Makum Al-Haj. The President Northern Region is Honorable Peter Okok. The President of the Women's League is Madame Adong Sarah. The Vice President of the UID is Honorable Maxwell Asiku.
President Baburu and Maxwell Asiku.
The Deputy Legal Advisor, Honorable Subuka Kenneth. We have the Secretary UID, Honorable Hajara Nachiwuka. We have the Deputy Treasurer present, Honorable John Bosco Kamuga. We have the Deputy President, Women's League, Honorable Barbara Owoko.
President Bamon, we
have the chairperson, the regional representative of Northern Region, Honorable Simpleman.
The
election committee chairperson, Mr. Ken Muteni. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to make it clear that we are so delighted to have the Acholi land grandson, the President of the Democratic Party, inviting us on today's occasion, Mr. Norbert Mao.
KDP kiwura chuli memiri wala tenma kwi latin wu no bat mo ma LTO janyere komi linyan.
Has led our party for 3 consecutive decisions.
Enu telo parti me DP bi magado para bitkuno.
We call them terms.
Ma enu telo ma be adeda.
And it puts confidence in the leadership and the person himself we're talking about.
Da keru gen to 12 million meno. Parti DP tiga wariyo mati wangata tiga telo ne libere kila di mukarta.
We have had so many developments under his leadership, including peace under the leadership.
Jami mabol muti mei kare ma tiga tela tiema wan ma wati parti ni wangeyo.
Ladies and gentlemen, you all have to know that the Democratic Party is the oldest party in this country, Uganda.
Kidma wangeyo kwere ni parti DP yani parti muri loyo kilobu Uganda.
We are talking about 70 years in existence.
Watiga lok ikumpati mauri mwaka biara kulo.
We have gone through all, thick and thin.
Wan wakaru ki jimi aroma mukaru kare itera melobu Uganda.
And we are tested as the only party that will survive until we get to power.
That one DP ene pata tiel kekel makiri ki yenu walining pe waromota. That DP libertie.
We have to thank Norbert Mao, Mukasa Mbite, Mr. Siranda, and myself for saying that make this party exist as today.
Dagomero wa fuwa tutwala ditmo. Emma taru wangom. Katiere kila lukare Mukasa Mbite.
I have to request you to clap for yourself for supporting this party up till today. Thank you very much. The party has been a kindergarten to this country in bringing and grooming up young people and grown-ups. We have taken this country through all regimes by supporting them whenever they get to power.
One, Telamogi can mabino kadipi bokerieti bechung mabe. Anywhere, Kitelamogi can mabino wangariago medipi ukurbo.
We have now reached the time that we are seeing that we are getting to a transitional period whereby Democratic Party again is going to play a role.
One watinga karma wanero ni Telama Uganda obeloke that meta to 12 party DP utelio ya loga matiga bironi.
We are talking about a grown-up citizen, Museveni, who has ruled this country for 40 years and is now seeing a small hole of transition.
Watiga lori kumlatera mamogoli kwamjaru kuri lokatera la dit Museveni ero kumbedi one DP wa yabo wa tiga na loga mete.
And we are prepared by bringing up Norbert Mao in order to negotiate the transitional time.
Ero yu wa latinu Norbert Mao udira ochokite vul wekinen limero loga biri Uganda piana loga mabiro ni dong mero la dit Mao betikenyo.
The party has come up with Norbert Mao to challenge the people in the Acholi land to forward their man, their young son, their brilliant person in order to compete in the coming elections.
La dit Norbert Mao malatinu umiro kema tia tiku akakao magiluoni Museveni wege kui mabironi Norbert Mao uchum ukatui machalo president me Uganda.
As usual, DP comes up with new ideas, and these ideas always form results.
Pati DP kare duju kati atie kitam manyen pilobu Uganda.
The politics we are playing today, when you see that Norbert Mao is the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, is a new way of playing politics in this country, and it's going to show results.
Mara ye style manyan mawatiga turu kwere wegenani kadong la dit wego gang o wekde ching Norbert Mao mera iriago mawatiga tukona.
We are following our policy of being considerate and tolerant and discussing with our opponents.